Good evening, guys. Nandito tayo sa South San Francisco Conference Center. Kasi may event ang WSB. Ayan. Party party. Ayan. Ah, ganda. Kaya ayan, screen grab ko na lang. Tingin kayo?
Dito pala yung police.
Ha?
Dito pala yung police. Kaya pala.
Andito, imbitado sila.
Ay, kasi yung mga nandun yung mga sasakyan nila eh.
Ano yung nasa yung name of the beer?
Ang gaganda naman. Hello, Miss Gina. How are you?
Just fine. Ikaw na mag-ticket.
Taray.
Did you get your ticket?
Para sa niya.
Did you get the stand? Okay.
Yan, ito ba yan?
Ano to?
Yan, ibe?
Sino ang MD?
Ayan.
Ito po
mga parents ni Adrian. Halip po kayo. Dito po tayo, tito, tita. Hello, hello.
Ay!
Yes.
What are we looking forward for tonight? Sige, sige.
We're gonna have recognitions,
Pakilala po
dance,
kayo.
and a lot of raffles. Hi, my name is Alicia Cruz from the World System Builder.
And Mark
And this
Cruz
is my
from World
husband,
System Builder,
Mark.
yes.
Welcome. We're doing financial literacy campaign, and this is our end of year celebration.
Yes.
Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you for
Thank
coming.
you. Thank you for coming.
Sige. Ate.
Dito yung quote mo ha, kung gusto
Okay.
mo ilagay ha.
Oo, salamat po. So, nasa WSB here and get-together party tayo. And invite tayo. Ilamang Alicia and Christine. Ayan. So, picture. Ay, tingnan natin. Ito yung WSB. Ito yung una kong Filipino community na na-meet. Sino po sila? Picture. Christine and Company.
Ganito kami nga, guys. Sa Mandarin. May ganito, malaki pa rin yung body namin.
Or even learn from you. So if I can just get a Mr. Eric Collette on stage. How many years old? 25 years. Thank you so much. It's been
Teka, anong event ito?
Huh?
Anong event?
Oh, it's a Bay Area Financial Center year-end party.
Thank you.
Ang event ko, hindi ko alam eh.
Musta.
Ganda ng party.
Oo nga, ano. A good turnaround.
Thank you.
Nag-set up, lahat, nag-show up. It's good.
Thank you.
Picturean kita. Happy holidays.
Thank you.
Sige. Thank you. Sarap salad.
Tita Edna.
Basta. Anong masasabi mo sa ating event for tonight?
Enjoy.
Thank you. Christmas party ni Christine. Thank you, Christine. Ayaw, may picture. Thank you. Ay. Wow. Teka lang, Dad.
Nakain ba yung... Nakain.
Lord.
Wala.
Ano daw? How's your stay? Sarap.
Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper.
Ako man nun. Ano? House and lot. Yay! Go, Dad!
I hope everyone enjoyed their dinner. We will start the next part of our agenda in a little bit. But please
Yay! Panalo ng raffle. Wow!
Dunking.
Wow!
Ano to?
Dunking Donut gift card.
Gift card.
Tama ako na. Punta na kayo mga lima. Langking na.
Thank you! Oh! Ano to?
Video?
Oo, video. Ayan, thank you, Nina dear. May pa-cocktails tayo.
I know.
Courtesy. Thank you sa free cocktails. Thank you. Ang sarap, grabe.
Alright, next category we have is going to be for top 15 personal producers.
Wow!
So these people are working very hard this year, not just with their team, but personally to help families out there to be protected and build a strong financial foundation. Okay, starting from top 9, we have Franco Ruan, Nayet Bueno, Kate Mayavia, Jason Encina, Jill Payura. Alright, into the top 3 personal producers. Number 3 with 70,278 points is Amy Nakare.
Congrats!
Number 2 with 112,635 points is David Wu.
Congratulations!
Thank you. I didn't know I'm gonna get an award, but thank you.
Galing!
I know, akala ko I won an award this year.
Congrats!
Thank you.
Are we ready?
Yani! Meron
Saan galing?
Ate Nina.
Yung Baha Mama. Margarita and then cranberry with oat.
Ito ba yun?
May iba to, may coconut to eh.
Also at number 3, we have Nina.
Ang dami!
And at number 2, we have... Alright, so yeah, it's time to come up here, you know, to be number 1 more times. But you know what? We thank our team for working hard this year. So, you know, it's
High five on stage. All the amazing work you've done this year. Next category we have is
Congrats.
support.
Tago mo na.
Ikaw ang ano mo sa
Dito picture tayo.
Ayan, oo. Patingin na, Sash. Miss Bay Area Financial Center. Oh, memorize ko na. Okay,
Ayan, ma-video ba
what
yan?
can you say?
Thank you so much for supporting me, you know. Yeah, in our business right now. Arte, di ba? Yeah, pause ako, wait na.
Lalo po ako sa raffle. Thank you. Thank you sa raffle. Buksan natin. Diba? Bago pa Pasko. Ito yung ating napalanunan. Starbucks. Usable cold cups.